Hey guys, it's Cristin and welcome back to another exciting art haul. Yes. And today's video will be focusing on watercolors or watercoloring supplies from the Color Factory. So, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that I was able to get is this stencil tape. It's only $1.47. Again, that is in Canadian dollars. For those who are new to the channel, I noticed that there are more of you here. So hey guys, welcome to Cristin Makes. Anyway, so I got this mainly for my papers so that I could hold them down while I am painting. But you can definitely use this for holding down your stencils. But I think I'm mainly just going to use this to hold down my paper in place while I do my watercoloring. And then the next thing that I got is this awesome artist palette. It's got plenty of inkwells. As you can tell, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wells? 16, okay, my bad, but 8 like at the top and 8 at the bottom. So that is just perfect for mixing all your colors, and it's just $1.47. That is such a steal, you guys. And I cannot wait to be able to test this out, try it, and use it, and start making some awesome artwork. Okay, so the next item that I got is this 15-piece artist brush set. It's got everything that you may need for like a more detailed watercoloring creation or project, and I specifically got this set for that main reason because I don't have plenty of fine tip brushes, so I really needed this. It only costs $3.97 for 15 pieces. That is a great deal in my book. Oh, and by the way, I am going to be unboxing all of these at the end of the video, so do stick around if you want some ASMR awesomeness at the end of the video. So, putting that aside, let us move on to the next item. Of course, we cannot forget, if we have the brush, if we have the palette, we also gotta have the watercolor pad. And this is only $3.99. And I made sure to get one of these because when you're doing watercolor, you want to make sure that your paper is able to absorb and handle all that water. And so I got this one specifically. It's only 18 sheets, but I know that it's going to be able to hold my artwork in place without messing up the paper and ripping the paper and all that mess. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the haul. It's a very mini haul, but we are going to open them up. So stick around because we're going to do that right now, and I'll see you there. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this mini haul, and let me know in the comments what is your favorite watercoloring art material or supply. Also, what is your most favorite artwork that you've done with watercoloring? Other than that, please don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with future videos and uploads. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.